Good morning, all of you. I am Aishwarya, your SST teacher. Today we will read the chapter of civics, which is the United Nations. This is the first part of the video. World Wars. The Industrial Revolution had brought many changes in the world. Many countries became industrialized. They needed two things: raw materials for manufacturing and new markets to sell the goods they made. चिल्ड्रेन, जब इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन हुआ था तो उसके बाद वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए, जिसकी वजह से दुनिया में सिर्फ दो चीज़ों की मांग थी। एक कच्चा माल, जिसकी वजह से हम मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकें, और जो गुड्स तैयार होता है उसे हम न्यू मार्केट में सेलिंग के लिए उतार सकें। Soon, the industrialized countries became jealous of each other and wanted their own empires to grow. These countries started fighting among themselves. It came to be known as World War I, और इसी का नाम पड़ा World War I. It started in August 1914 and lasted for over 4 years. Millions of soldiers and other people were killed or wounded. Many cities were destroyed, and there was acute shortage of food and everything. To prevent future wars, they decided to form a League of Nations. और इन सब वॉर को, कि ताकि ये फ्यूचर में ना हो, इसको रोकने के लिए लोगों ने राष्ट्र संघ बनाने की घोषणा की. Its members decided that the disputes should be solved by the discussion rather than by force. However, it failed and another war called the World War II. लेकिन ये भी फेल हो गया और दूसरा वॉर आ गया. In 1939, यह 1939 में स्टार्ट हुआ. It lasted for 6 years. It ended in 1945 after USA dropped atomic bombs over 2 Japanese cities, Hiroshima और Nagasaki. As a result of this war, about 5 crore people were killed and a huge loss of properties, towns and cities. Formation of the United Nations. The horrible destructions caused by the two world wars made the people of the world seriously think about world peace. जब दो वर्ल्ड वॉर हो चुके थे, तब लोगों को ये सोचने पे मजबूर हो गए लोग कि अब विश्व में शांति कैसे लाई जाए. Then finally the United Nations was born in the year 1945. It replaced the League of Nations, a set of rules called the Charter of the United Nations. The United Nations was formed on 24th October 1945. Today, 193 countries are the members of the United Nations. The headquarters of the United Nations is in the New York. Next is objectives of the United Nations. This means United Nations के कुछ उद्देश्य हैं, तो आइए इसको पढ़ते हैं. These are following objectives of the United Nations: to prevent wars, to work for peace and security of all nations, to protect human rights and the freedom of people, to remove differences based on religion, language, race, etc., to encourage friendly relation among different nations of the world, to solve all international problems peacefully.